Astrid's gonna ride in the pink car. Astrid, why don't you push her fast? Woo! You got your pink car. Nice. Are you driving?
Can I have a little fast? Devin, Maddie, let him have a turn.
Maddie, let Devin. Oh gosh. Oh, no.
Sorry, not that fast, okay? Just do it on the grass, but don't tip it, okay?
Maddie, step back, please. No, it's fine. Gentle, Maddie. Astrid, you having fun? Wait, turn her around, Devin, gently. Here. All right, now let me go and stand in front, and then I'll film you. All right. Now push her. Oh, that's nice. Look, Astrid. Cheese. Give her a kiss. Oh, that's nice. All right, now you can push her. Wait. Maddie, wait. Let Devin.
Because I'm the oldest. Yes, I am. You are not big. Yes, I am not.
Thank you.
I'm like this, and I'm like